Hello, my name is Safaa Emad from class 12-5 and the project is about cadmium element. The element name is cadmium and its symbol is Cd. The density equal 8.69 gram per cubic centimeter and the oxidation state positive 2 or 2,1 negative 2 in a mildly basic oxide. The electron configuration is krypton 5s2 4d10 or krypton 4d10 5s2. The atomic radius is van der Waals atomic radius 158 pm van der Waals, empirical atomic radius 155 pm empirical, covalent atomic radius 144 pm covalent. The element period number is 5 and the group number is 12. The boiling point equal 1040 Kelvin, which means 776 degrees Celsius or 1413 degrees Fahrenheit. And the melting point equal 594.22 Kelvin, which means 321.07 degrees Celsius or 609.93 degrees Fahrenheit. The estimated crystal abundance equal 1.5 times 10 power negative 1 milligrams per kilogram. Cadmium is a poisonous metal, and its use is somewhat limited for this reason. Like zinc, cadmium can be electroplated to other materials to protect them from corrosion. Cadmium easily absorbs neutrons and is used to make control rods for nuclear reactors. Cadmium is also used in rechargeable nickel-cadmium batteries. Cadmium is alloyed with silver to form solder, a metal with a relatively low melting point used to join electrical components, pipes, and other metallic items. Hydrated cadmium sulfate. One of the cadmium's compound is used in a device called a Weston cell, a type of a battery that produces a precise voltage, used to calibrate medical and laboratory equipment. Cadmium sulfide, another cadmium compound, is a yellow powder that is used as a pigment. Other cadmium compounds are used in the phosphor of black and white television sets, in the blue and green phosphors in color television sets. The name derives from Greek cadmium, for calamine, zinc carbonate, with which it was found as an impurity in nature. It may have been found in furnace flow dust in Thebes, a city in Bootia region of central Greece. The mythological king of Phoenicia, Cadmus, founded Thebes and would be source for the name of the ore. The element was discovered and first isolated by German physician Friedrich Salzmann in 1817. Cadmium was discovered by Friedrich, a German chemist, in 1817 while studying sample of calamine, zinc carbonate. When heated, Stromer noticed that some samples of calamine glowed with a yellow color, while other samples didn't. After further examination, he determined that the calamine that changed color when heated contained trace amount of new element. There is only one mineral that contains significant amount of cadmium, CDS, but it now not common enough to mine profitably. Fortunately, some small amount of cadmium are found in zinc ores, and most of the cadmium produced today is obtained as byproduct of mining and refining zinc. From the Latin word cadmia, Greek cadmia, the ancient name from calamine zinc carbonate discovered by Stromer in 1817 from an impurity in zinc carbonate. Cadmium most often occurs in small quantities associated with zinc ores, such as zinc sulfide. Green CDS is the only mineral of any consequences bearing cadmium. Almost all cadmium is obtained as byproduct in the treatment of zinc, copper, and lead ores. It is a soft, polished white metal which is easily cut with a knife. It is similar in many respects to zinc. In 1927, the International Conference on Weight and Measures redefined the meter in terms of the wavelength of red cadmium spectral line. 1m equal 1.553164.13 wavelengths. This definition has been changed. See krypton. The estimated oceanic abundance equal 1.1 times 10 power negative 4 milligrams per liter, and the estimated crystal abundance equal 1.5 times 10 power negative 1 milligrams per kilograms. Failure to appreciate the toxic properties of cadmium may cause workers to be exposed to dangerous fume. Silver solder, for example, which contains cadmium, should be handled with care. Serious toxicity problems have been found from long-term exposure, and work with cadmium plating passes. Exposure to cadmium dust shouldn't exceed 0.01 mg per cubic meter. 8-hour time weighted average, 40-hour week. The saline concentration maximum for a period of 15 minutes shouldn't exceed 0.14 mg per cubic meter. And cadmium oxide fume exposure, 8-hour, 40-hour week, shouldn't exceed 0.05 mg per cubic meter. And the maximum concentration shouldn't exceed 0.05 mg per cubic meter. These values are presently being restudied and recommendations have been made to reduce the exposure.